हेलो पेरेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। फोनिक्स जो कि नर्सरी से लेके क्लास 4 तक के बच्चों को इंग्लिश रीडिंग में काफ़ी हेल्प करता है। इसकी हेल्प से बच्चे सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन, सही स्पेलिंग और सही रीडिंग करते हैं। इसके कारण उनके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आता है और उन्हें स्पेलिंग लर्न करने में अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना पड़ता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
The name of this letter is S and the sound of S is The name of this letter is A and the sound of A is A. The name of this letter is T and the sound of T is T, 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 T. The name of this letter is P and the sound of P is P, P, P. The name of this letter is N and the sound of N is N. The name of this letter is I and the sound of I is E, 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 E. The name of this letter is C and the sound of C is curly K, curly K. The name of this letter is K and the sound of K is kicking K, kicking K, just like we kick off football. The name of this letter is E and the sound of E is E, 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 E. The name of this letter is H and the sound of H is The name of this letter is R and the sound of R is The name of this letter is M and the sound of M is The name of this letter is D and the sound of D is D, 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 D. The name of this letter is G and the sound of G is The name of this letter is O and the sound of O is O, 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 O. The name of this letter is U and the sound of U is A, 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 A. The name of this letter is L and the sound of L is The name of this letter is F and the sound of F is The name of this letter is B and the sound of B is B, B, B. The name of this letter is J and the sound of J is J, J, J. The name of this letter is Z and the sound of Z is Z. The name of this letter is V and the sound of V is The name of this letter is W and the sound of W is wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah. The name of this letter is Y and the sound of Y is ya, 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 ya. Thank you for watching.